So you're going to start by grabbing a crown section of hair, and you want to make sure everything is brushed out and smooth, as you see I'm doing here, before you get started with your braid. Then you're going to divide that section into 3 sections. So you're going to grab the right strand and bring that one under the middle strand. And then bring the left strand under that middle strand. So basically you're going to be crossing the strands under each other in a pattern. And this is opposite to a French braid where you cross the strands over each other. I'll have a link to my French braid tutorial in the description box below. Now you're going to add in a section of hair to that right strand and then bring it underneath. Now you'll repeat that on the left side. So you're going to grab a section of hair and add it into that strand, and then you're going to combine them and bring them underneath. And that's your pattern. So now you can just continue doing that all the way down. Now I wouldn't recommend using a mirror to be able to see from behind, because then it's just going to be the opposite and that gets confusing. I would instead try to memorize the pattern, remember how it feels, and just repeat it. Now you're going to carefully pull at the braid to make it a fluffier braid. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. There will be a new video every Sunday at 10 a.m.